In today's Everyday AI video, I want to demonstrate how you might use ChatGPT or any of the large language models to analyze large volumes of data. Now, I know a lot of you need to do this, and today I'm going to demonstrate this with an employee engagement survey. And it's a real survey from a real client from a few years back, but it is cleaned up so you can't trace it back to the company and there's no incriminating information in it. And it's a smaller version of what you would normally get. Now, the program that they use to do this has a lot of analytics tools. It's an excellent program. It's one that I recommend, and it has a lot of analytics tools in and of itself. But sometimes your senior leaders or your boards of directors want something in a different format. So that's what I'm going to share with you. A friend of mine actually tested this because she took her own employee engagement survey data from the company that she was working with at the time, and she prepared a board report, which she said it took her 2 days to do, and then she used ChatGPT to do it some months later, and it took about 15 minutes to get the same level of detail in kind of the same format. So I'm not going to demonstrate how to create an actual report, but I am going to demonstrate how to summarize and create graphs, which I know a lot of you don't even know that it can do that. So I'll load up the data here. So this is just a spreadsheet with 2 tabs, and I've created, using Text Expander, I've created some shortcuts. So the first shortcut that I put in is please analyze the first tab on the spreadsheet and prepare a report summarizing the sentiment of the employees. So there's the information, and ChatGPT is analyzing. And in just a moment, we should have its analysis. Does not take very long at all. And I'm not actually going to edit this so I can show you how long it does take to analyze it. Here we go. Okay, so has analyzed the first tab, and here's the analysis. Okay, and then a summary of what the most problematic areas are. Great. Could you create graphs? Let's say pie charts on this data, please. I don't actually have that abbreviation programmed in, so I'll ask it to create pie charts. Now, if you work for a boss like I had several years ago, he hated pie charts. Don't know why. He only wanted to see bar graphs. So in a minute, I'll ask ChatGPT to recreate the pie charts into bar graphs, and we'll see how quickly it's able to do that. Very, very quickly. Okay, so here we have some pie charts, couple pie charts. Oh, and I hate the colors. It's still analyzing, it's still creating the pie charts. I hate the colors, so I'm going to ask it to recreate using my brand colors after it's finished analyzing and giving me some additional, oh no, here we go. Has done here we go. Okay, so loads of pie charts. Now, let's say, please recreate pie charts using my brand colors. And I'm spelling colors in the American way because I have an international audience. Yes, I know we put you in the word colors in Australia where I live, but people from around the world will be looking at this. And most people around the world put you in color, but not Americans. Just saying. Now it's going to recreate these pie charts using my brand colors. At least I hope it is. Every once in a while it goes, what are your brand colors? Even though I've pre-programmed it in another chat. Here we go. Yes, in my brand colors. Every once in a while it won't remember, but 99 times out of 100 it remembers what my brand colors are because I put in a customized GPT to let it remember what the colors are. Okay, and then let's say, could you summarize the second tab of this report as well? Oh, before I do that, actually, I want to please change into bar graphs. And it will do that. And of course, then you can take the data and you can put it into a report. You can upload a copy of the report format that you want to use. You can do a number of different things like that, which is really, really handy. Changing into bar graphs. And here we go. And it remembered my colors. Okay, now I'm going to ask it to summarize the second tab of the report. What are the main issues that's highlighted as something that the company is not doing well? There we go. And you can see the type of summary that it gave me for that. Now you could also ask for what can this company do to solve these challenges. There we go. Isn't this a great way to spend your time? And how much time will this save you? So give it a go and let me know. Type your comments in the type your comments in the comments box. I almost said in the chat box. Getting mixed up with ChatGPT. Anyway, have fun.